individuals who can have a weapons carry license, who maintain a weapons carry license, no longer need that weapons carry license to carry openly or concealed. But it expands the ability for individuals who are otherwise eligible for that weapons carry license, but for whatever reason don't have it. There are 4 types of covered individuals. Individuals with weapons carry licenses from Georgia, those who don't have them but are eligible to receive them, out-of-state residents with any license, and even an out-of-state resident without a license but who would be eligible for a license if they lived in Georgia. They tried to include everybody. The most important point, and I know Richard will agree with this, the most important point is that these laws typically don't expand carry rights for individuals who are otherwise still prohibited from possessing a firearm.
Yeah. So if I'm a felon, I hear about constitutional carry passing.
Still a no.
Still a no.
Still
okay.
a no.
Or I've been committed to a mental hospital, but now we've got constitutional carry.
Right.
Does that work?
No.
Okay.
And so those list of prohibited people, 18 U.S.C. 922G, those people who aren't allowed to use or possess or carry firearms or ammunition, they are still not going to be allowed to engage in constitutional or permitless carry. Another myth that I hear come up over and over again, and this came up in Texas, does it change your right to purchase firearms? Had no effect on people who can buy guns and who can't buy guns. And for example, going to Texas, it only affected handguns, and that's what we're talking about, handguns in Texas, for people 21 years of age or older. So it's kind of a narrow group, and we have some additional qualifications. You can't have any previous, some violent misdemeanors within the previous 5 years convictions, and you got to be fully qualified to possess in public under Texas law. So we have, I think, more hoops in Texas than a lot of states. And it's not, it's kind of complicated carry as opposed to constitutional carry.
You have to be very aware of the rules. In Georgia, you still have to be eligible for that weapons carry license. I've received so many calls from individuals who are 18, 19, and 20 years old. Well, now I can carry. Nope, you can't. You cannot be considered a lawful weapons carrier because at 18, 19, and 20, you can't possess a weapons carry license in Georgia unless you're actively serving, honorably discharged, and have proof of government training. So it doesn't really expand the rights to anyone who's not otherwise lawful to carry or possess that weapons carry license.